Dear children, look at the page number 60. I am going to teach the untouchables. Not moved by idea of Swaraj. Some groups like untouchables were not moved the least by the abstract concept of Swaraj. From the 1930s, the group had begun to call themselves Dalit or oppressed. For long, the Congress had ignored the Dalits for fearing of offending the Satnat, Sat, Sanatanis, the conservative high-caste Hindu. Gandhiji viewed and efforts. Mahatma Gandhi declared that Swaraj would not come from 100 years if untouchability was not eliminated. So, under his constructive movement, he laid stress on removal of untouchability. He made the efforts as under. Calling Harijan. He called them Harijan, which means the children of God. Pleading of entry, the organized satyagraha to secure their entry into temples and access to public wells, tanks, roads and streets. Touring. He made tours to their colonies and even lived there. Sanitation work. He even cleaned toilets and dignity of work of the Bhangi, the sweeper, and persuaded the upper caste no change their heart and keep up sin of untouchability. Dalits' own organization. Gandhiji efforts had little effect. The region was many Dalit leaders like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar appoint that it is but only political in power that would resolve their problem of social injustice. So they began as under. First, organizing themselves. Second, demanding reserved seat in educational institution. Demanding separate electorate that would choose the Dalit member for legislative council. For the above reason, Dalit participating in the civil disobedience movement was limited, particularly in Maharashtra and Nagpur region, where their organization was quite strong. Entrance of Ambedkar. In 1930, Ambedkar entered national politics and organized depressed classes association in order to make them politically more strong. He was nominated as a delegate of the oppressed classes for the second roundtable conference. In that roundtable conference, he clashed with Mahatma Gandhi by demanding separate electorates for Dalits. Gandhiji fought unto death. When the British government accepted Ambedkar's demand, Gandhiji began a fast unto death. His belief was that separate electorates for Dalits would slow down the process of their integration into the society. Pune Pact. The issue was eventually resolved through the Pune Pact of September 1932. It gave the depressed classes, later to be known as the scheduled caste, reserved seat in provincial and central legislative council, but they were to be voted in by the general electorate. The Dalit movements, however, continue to be oppressive of the Congress-led national movement. The Muslim political organization, keeping aloof from the first day after their arrival in India, Britishers followed the policy of divide and rule, and this policy had its impact on all the movement launched by our national leaders. So even during the civil disobedience movement, some Muslim political organizations never supported the movement launched by the Congress. Reason: many factors were responsible for this kind of attitude of Muslims. Association of Congress with the Hindu Mahasabha or communal process. First है Association of Congress with the Hindu Mahasabha. After the decline of the non-corporation Khilafat movement, a large section of Muslims felt alienated from the Congress. Moreover, from the mid-1920s, the Congress came to be more visually associated with the Hindu religious nationalist group like the Hindu Mahasabha. Communal classes, after relation between the Hindus and the Muslims had got worse. Each community organized religious procession with militant for where they provoked Hindu-Muslim communal clashes and riots in various cities. Every riot depended the wedge between the two communities. Issue of demand for separated electorates. Some of the Muslim leaders demand a separate electorate for the Muslim. Their demand was not supported by the Congress leader. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, one of the leaders of the Muslim League, proposed to give up the demand for separate electorate of the Muslim if Muslims were assured reserved seat in the Central Assembly and representation in proportion to population in the Muslim-dominated provinces Bengal and Punjab. Negotiation over the question of representation continued. However, in the All Parties Conference in 1928, M.R. Jaikar of the Hindu Mahasabha strongly opposed the proposal. Status of Muslim in the Hindu majority. Many Muslim leaders and intellectuals expressed their concern about the status of Muslim as a minority in India. They feared that cultural and identity of the minorities would be submerged under the domination of Hindu majority. The sense of collective belonging. Eventually, the people belonging to different regions and communities began to develop a sense of collective belongingness, and thus nationalist movement separate. This sense of collective belongingness developed through the experience of united struggle. A number of cultural processes also made their contribution to it. History and fiction, folklore, song, popular prints and symbols all played a part in the making of nationalism. Creation of identity for nation next day.